Which animal has 3 hearts, 9 brains, and blue blood? Octopus. Which month has only 28 days, and every 4 years has 29? February. Which cartoon is this shot from? Aladdin. Which animal meows? Cat. Which cake is in the picture? Red velvet. Where is the Great Sphinx statue located? Egypt. In what game might a person have a full house? Poker. What is the national bird of India? Indian peacock. Which animal is in the picture? Elephant. What is the name of the sport in the photo? Chess boxing. Which continent is the coldest? Antarctica. Which is formed in the shells of oysters? Pearl.